In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make horizontal pictures in Grok like I have here. Okay, instead of having aspect ratio of 1:1, I'm going to show you how you can make them horizontal. Okay, now you just have to use this short prompt, generate a picture. Now I'm going to generate a picture of a dog with its kids eating pizza. All right, so here you can put whatever you want. Okay, so what matters is after the full stop, say picture image is 16:9 landscape aspect ratio. Now this changes the whole thing. Okay, doesn't matter here what you write here. Maybe create an image. It doesn't have to be specific like mine. You can say create or generate, whatever it is, but after the stop, whatever you're describing, try to say picture image size is 16:9 landscape aspect ratio. Let me send, and this will solve your problems. You have the image in landscape or horizontal. Okay, let me know what you think if this has helped you to create horizontal pictures. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.